Welcome to Wits Up. With the global spread of COVID 19 or coronavirus, most of us are concerned with preventing the spread of the disease. We have rounded up some of the most popular myths on coronavirus prevention and check whether they have any truth to them. Watch till the end and we will give you the websites and helpline numbers which will help you gain authentic information on coronavirus. Myths about preventing coronavirus. As you've probably heard, there is no cure or vaccine available for coronavirus as of now. So, the best way to fight it is to prevent the spread of coronavirus. However, many myths are circulating about how to prevent the spread. It is crucial that we differentiate facts from fiction, otherwise we will end up endangering our lives. Myth 11. Taking a hot bath can prevent coronavirus. Myth. This claim is based on the assumption that heat can kill coronavirus germs. Scientists say that based on research on the other coronavirus strains, the germs may be neutralized if the temperature exceeds 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. However, there is no proven research that supports that taking a bath with hot water will prevent you from catching COVID-19. Verdict: false. Regardless of how hot or cold your bath water is, your body temperature will remain the same. If you try to take a bath in water that is too hot, it will scald you instead. Myth 10. Sitting in the sun can prevent you from catching coronavirus. Myth. This again is based on the assumption that heat and sunlight can kill the COVID-19 strain. For this reason, many people are breaking the quarantine rules and gathering in parks to get some sun. Verdict: false. There is no evidence that sunlight can kill the germs or exposure to sunlight can help you in any way fight the disease. While it is true that vitamin D boosts your immunity, no evidence sunning yourself will prevent you from getting COVID-19. Do not disobey the quarantine rules to get some sun. Going out in public places will increase your chances of coming in contact with an infected person, and if you have it, you can also spread it to other people. So if you want to get some vitamin D, you should get it from your window, balcony or terrace. Myth 9. COVID-19 cannot spread in hot climate. Myth. Many people are assuming that since coronavirus is similar to the flu and it won't spread in countries which have a hot climate. Verdict: false. Coronavirus is a pandemic. It has spread to countries which are in the tropical zone and have hot summers. This is the reason why countries like India and countries in Africa also have seen a significant number of cases and are expecting even more. Myth 8. Eating garlic and lemon can help prevent coronavirus. Myth. This myth is popular because garlic and lemon are used as home remedies when it comes to treating common cold and flu. Verdict: false. While garlic and lemon are undoubtedly good for you, there is no evidence to show that their consumption can prevent COVID-19 directly. Yes, eating garlic and lemon can boost your immunity, but it cannot act as a preventive measure against coronavirus. You can consume them and they can help you build immunity, but they cannot stop you from catching COVID-19. Myth 7. Gargling salt water can prevent coronavirus. Myth. This claim again is based on the fact that gargling salt water is used as a home remedy for sore throat and common cold. Verdict: false. There is no evidence to support this claim. Gargling may give you temporary relief from a sore throat if you have the flu, but it cannot prevent the COVID-19 germs from entering your lungs. However, there is no harm in doing it and may help with any kind of throat infection. So if you are doing it, please continue. Myth 6. Drinking alcohol will protect you from coronavirus. Myth. How this myth started circulating is anybody's guess, but it may be linked to that fact that authorities recommend sanitizers with more than 70% alcohol content for keeping your hands clean. Verdict: false. In no way can alcohol consumption help you. Alcohol consumption can lead to a lot of complications which can lower your immunity. Excess drinking may lead to medical problems unrelated to coronavirus, which will have long-term effects on your health and mental well-being. Myth 5. Spraying alcohol on you will protect you from coronavirus. Myth. This again may be traced back to the fact that hand sanitizers with more than 70% of alcohol content can effectively kill coronavirus. While spraying alcohol on a surface may kill the germs temporarily, it cannot keep the surfaces clean indefinitely. Verdict: false. Spraying alcohol on yourself in any form will not stop you from contracting coronavirus. Alcohol evaporates easily. Even if you do spray alcohol on anything, it will be gone in a few seconds. So alcohol can disinfect you temporarily, but it does not give any permanent immunity. After disinfection, make sure you are not coming in contact with infected surface or persons. If you are outside the house, disinfect again and again and refrain from touching your face. Myth 4. Spraying bleach on the body can help prevent coronavirus. Myth. This assumption is based on the fact that bleach is a potent biocide and kills the coronavirus on surfaces. Authorities around the world are recommending disinfecting your home with bleach to stop the spread of coronavirus. Verdict: false. In no way should anyone apply bleach on their bodies. Yes, bleach does kill coronavirus germs, but it is also highly corrosive and will burn your skin severely if you touch it. Use bleach strictly for cleaning your homes or exposed surfaces. Avoid bleach from coming in contact with your skin. Myth 3. Using UV lights on your hands can prevent the infection. Myth. This myth is based on the fact that UV irradiation is used for killing germs, especially in contemporary water filters. Verdict: false. UV technology does not act that way. In fact, you should not use a UV light on your hands or any parts of the body. UV radiation can cause severe skin irritation and even lead to further complications. Myth 2. COVID-19 spreads via shoes. Myth. This myth is probably based on the assumption that COVID-19 only spreads via droplets when an infected person sneezes or coughs. Verdict: true. A CDC study found that the droplets released via sneezing or coughing may cause the COVID-19 germs to deposit on shoes. The wearer can spread them far away from the source. Separate your indoor and outdoor footwear. Leave your outdoors footwear in a secluded spot outside the house. Alternatively, you can clean it with soap and water every time you come back after getting the essentials. For convenience, wear shoes made of washable materials. Myth 1. Not using 5G networks can prevent the spread of coronavirus. Myth. There is no basis to this claim except probably linking the 5G technology that Chinese telecom companies are using with the fact that the virus was first noticed in Wuhan, China. Verdict: false. Authorities confirm that there is no way a virus can travel on mobile networks or radio waves. Many countries that do not have 5G technology are registering a large number of coronavirus cases. How to prevent coronavirus? Since there is no medicine for coronavirus, the best thing to do is not to panic and stop the spread of the disease. Here are a few things you must keep in mind. Number 1. As WHO says, most people affected by the virus get better on their own. However, it is a must that you get tested if you exhibit any symptoms or come into contact with anyone who has them. Number 2. The best way to prevent the spread of the disease is to avoid contact with others. Observe the lockdown rules that the authorities have set. Number 3. Wash your hands with soap and water and use hand sanitizers frequently. Number 4. Try to maintain a distance of 1 meter from another person if you go out. Number 5. Avoid touching your face, eyes, nose, and mouth. Number 6. Wash and wear clean clothes regularly. If you have to go out to get supplies, change and have a bath as soon as you come back. You can also use antiseptic liquids while washing your clothes. Coronavirus prevention myths are a danger to all. Misinformation harms us all. If people start believing these myths and ignore the advice given by authorities, doctors, or scientists, it will put vulnerable lives in danger. Verify everything you hear before sharing. COVID-19 public awareness helplines and resources. Here are some websites that can help you get authentic information and guidelines on COVID-19. Toll-free Central Helpline India, toll-free helpline numbers for states of India. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.